Today, I'm here in well sought out after neighborhood of Laurelwood in Waterloo. It gives me an immense pleasure to present you this stunning listing, 172 Dalecroft Place. This is Hari Shukla with the Affinity Real Estate team. Let's go inside and see what this home offers.
This beautifully renovated family home is packed with upgrades, top to bottom. Located in a quiet, family-friendly area. It's carpet-free and features a warm, inviting family room with hardwood floors, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms. The bright master bedroom boasts a vaulted ceiling and a private ensuite, while the finished basement offers extra living space, including a bathroom, a living area, and a rough-in for a potential 4th bathroom. Step outside to the fully fenced backyard, perfect for entertaining, complete with a charming gazebo for the cozy outdoor meals or relaxed evenings. This home offers a privacy and convenience with schools and universities, shopping malls, and transit all nearby, making it a fantastic opportunity in the highly desirable Laurelwood neighborhood. Don't miss out on this gem, it won't last long.